One of the two Saint Sebastians in the Haukohl Family Collection is the unique Saint Sebastian tended by Saint Irene. Saint Sebastian of the Roman Praetorian Guard decries the Emperor Diocletian. Saint Sebastian is shot with arrows but does not die. He is rescued by Saint Irene, only to be finally condemned to death by Diocletian for the second and final time. Where his body is rescued from the Roman sewer, Christians construct Saint Sebastian's Cathedral. Saint Sebastian today remains the patron saint of soldiers and athletes.